Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we are interrupting Sterling Week for a really cool release. Raza did the label, Maddie made the soap. It was my idea, nothing special. Ecto Cooler. And I'm sorry it's backwards, guys. I've been trying to figure out how to change it. Been on settings on my Android, and I can't fucking figure it out. So we're stuck with backwards looking labels on my videos. And it used to not be this way until I got a new phone. And the new phone, it just automatically did mirror image, and I can't figure out how to fix it. So Ecto Cooler, Raza did the label. And if y'all don't know what Ecto Cooler is, picture here. Ecto Cooler was a high C citrus tangerine drink that was big when I was a kid. So there's the inside. You see how it's kind of orange? It's very strong in orange scent, and it's supposed to be heavily mentholated. I have not used it. I only got 10 tubs the first time. I'm not even getting this. This is actually Lather Me Whiskers tub. He told me I could take one out. I gave him a discount on it. And I'm not even getting a soap for the first run. So, if you want to contact my email, which I'll have below, and get on a list, or if you all want to wait until the next order batch comes in and you're interested, just hit me up, guys. All right. So here we go. Maritime Brush Co. I like it. I figured it would go cool with Ecto Cooler. I like the burl. And I like the green and the yellow right there. And the blue. It just looks really good. Better than the camera even shows. Sorry about the sniffles, guys. Allergies are just torn up. And this is a gel bore. And honestly, guys, I'm to the point that I'm not using a bore unless it's Omega or Smoke. And I'm sorry, this looks a little airy. Ooh, menthol is making my eyes water. Okay, so normally I face lather with Maddie's soap, and I bowl lathered this, so do not judge the sheet ass lather on me, because I think Maddie has lathered with it and had zero issues. So, and I know menthol can't affect it, but I don't think it's a menthol thing. I think it's, I just normally face lather and don't bowl lather this shit. Whoo! Starting to feel the cooling, guys. Maddie sent me this along. It's a EDV, so I guess it's like EDV Neistrom, and it's from Eskilstuna, Switzerland. Pretty much, guys, if you get something from Eskilstuna, Switzerland, it's pretty much a good razor in my opinion. I would say this is probably a 4/8 half hollow, and Maddie's awesome. He just sends me razors every once in a while. A lot of people have good edges. Whew. Yeah, we're just going to stick with the one hand all the way across. There we go. Whew, making the eyes water. Plenty slickness. Second pass I may beat it into submission a little bit more. Seeing if I thicken it up. And Schultz, Michael Schultz, I will hit you up. I've just been busy. And I keep meaning to get back to you, but soaps came in. Pretty much got all of them out right now except for 4. One's Paul's, Magic Mike, and Justin McIntyre. Theirs will go out tomorrow. As well as David Gonzalez's. There's one other person I can't think of right now that I haven't shipped theirs out yet. Raza got his tub shipped out. Thankful for Raza. I mean, pretty nice guy. He didn't even ask me to pay him for the label art or anything. And I know he's getting paid for that stuff now. So send him a free tub. That's all I can really do. Because I'm still not making money off this soap. It's just something that was cool and nostalgic to me that I wanted for myself and to share with some friends that remembered it and they'd have nostalgic reasons. Like, I mean, it's looking pretty good. God, it's cold. DK, I don't know if this is just, it's not going to be too cold for DK. It's not too cold for me, but there is a good amount of menthol. So definitely not Johan soap. Johan is not a fan of menthol. And this is why I'm done buying other people's bore knots that aren't Samog or Omega. See, and that's just snapped. Like, it just, random hairs just popping out constantly since I've been using this. So, I mean, I guess I shouldn't be upset. It's like, second actual use, I cleaned it after the knotting of it. So, a little frustrating. There we go. Feeling lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. That's from yesterday. Little bit of feedback, but not a lot. Since it's a half hollow. Nice and cool. Nice and cool. Almost cut myself there. I came in a little steeper than I wanted. All right. No water on the pins. Accidentally got something on my thumb. Dry it off on the shirt. Shirt, by the way, lather and blade. Just kicked the damn cabinet. All right, feeling good. We're just gonna leave it there, guys, because I don't want to get any more irritation. And of course, always you gotta hit this up every couple of days, just clean it up. I don't do it every day. There we go. Again, using the heel and the toe. Heel and toe. Head and shoulders, heel and toe. No? Okay. Alright guys, we're going to rinse up and we'll be right back. And we are back. Alright everybody. Trying off with the Lancaster. And you know, since I always forget to say it, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. People tell me I should say that. Even my cousin watched my video the other day and he's like, why haven't you done this? Oh shit, Paul. Fuck. I got a drop of water on your tub. I was trying to keep it off to the side. Shit. Alright, I'll deal with that later. talk to Paul. Y'all see that? And I kept it off to the side. I must accidentally slung some water. Ah, it's frustrating. So, strong orange scent, menthol. Nice amount of menthol. I'm very happy with it. Just so you know, it's $11.25 plus shipping. So you send me your address and I'll just figure out what shipping will be to you and I'll ship it on. So, and I still have some Harry Wong left and some Black Horse's Spirit and some other soaps of his, if anyone's interested. So this is Tangerine from Maol Grooming. Son of a bitch! Epic fail on a shave, man. Like, alright. So I'll just put the little stopper in there and hopefully it works. That sucks, the cap broke. I've had that happen with a couple of others. And that tub, it's gonna eat on me when I'm done with this. Lather Me Whiskers is getting a text. I'm gonna be like, sorry dude, if you wanna wait for the next tub, I can do that too. So, see guys, this is why I hate it. Look at this. Boom. 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 Like you can just tell. I mean, it's pretty gelled. But the thing is, guys, you don't need to gel bore. Just use it enough and it hooks and split ends and starts feeling soft on its own. So I don't get it. Alright. Alright. Feeling good. So guys, we'll be back on Sterling Week next week. And y'all have a good one. Catch you later.